Hello and welcome to my review of Sharekhan. This is an Indian brokerage firm that is actually owned by BNP Paribas, the French giant. Now, as you can see, it's got a pretty active website and they offer plenty of markets. They offer equities, commodities, options. They even offer currency and global indices. So, plenty of products to choose from. That's never going to be your issue here. The initial deposit is as little as 5,000 rupees, and they are regulated with the SEBI, the Security and Exchange Board of India. This gives you a certain amount of protection as they are based out of Mumbai. They give you the ability to trade multiple markets, obviously, and of course, the low initial deposit does give you the opportunity to take advantage of this kind of all-stop shop here. You can see that they do have several different trading platforms. The Sharekhan website, it's your basic kind of just plug and play type of thing off their website itself. It's online. Obviously, you can access it anywhere. They have the mini website, so it's a low bandwidth type of website, perhaps for mobile trading, tablet trading, or if you're on metered internet access. The app here is your basic telephone app. You just put your iPhone or your Android, and then the Trade Tiger, of course, is their major platform. They're kind of like top end platform. It gives you all the charting features you would expect, stock scanners, technical indicators, those type of things. And then there's dial and trade, which you can call and enter your trade. Think of it more or less as a broker assisted trading situation. Now, they do have a nice education benefit here because they are affiliated with the Online Trading Academy. Sam Seiden started that. It is probably one of the best known technical analysis camps out there. It's an American company, been around since '97. It's a huge benefit to being here at Sharekhan. They also have the research section, pretty in depth. You can see all their latest calls here. You can also start to look at what they call SPART charts. It will give you an idea of where you may be looking to buy and the like. Pretty straightforward investment platform. It does give you access, like I said, to options, derivatives. So that's like futures, currencies, options, the equities themselves. In India, you can see that you can go to global indices and it give you all the global indices around the world. Plenty of information on the site. Well trusted broker, and again, backed by BNP Paribas. So clearly, that's a huge advantage. The forex spreads are pretty standard, about what you would expect at most brokerage firms, with a variable spread. Again, it's the extras are huge on this site. So clearly, Sharekhan is a place that, especially if you're in India, you may wish to look into.